What is she doing?
What?
Ooh.
Okay.
I mean, it happens, you know.
It happens. It could happen.
What should I do?
I don't.
I don't know. Oh wait, no, she knows.
Oh, I have scissors.
Oh, this is weird.
No,
This isn't what you do.
we just got it off. Everything. Oh, the problem solved.
Yeah, that's it. No more.
So trash. Bag.
This is it. That was like a Louis Vuitton dress, and now it's you know,
Fashion.
bathroom Vuitton.
Bathroom Vuitton. I like it.
Fixed with tape. Wow,
Ah.
this is next level actually.
It's some bra. Back bra.
Back bra.
Back bra.
Back bra. Okay, so it looks like a dress, sort of. Sure.
Kind. It's kind of weird.
Oh wait, they're adding frills on the side. Maybe it's gonna be like it looks like a prom dress. You know? If I ever had a date for prom, it would look, you know, maybe like that.
Like that. Okay.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
I wouldn't know. All right. Wow. It's really. I feel like you get hot in it though. Like
of course, it's plastic, and you know, it's like, yeah, I don't know.
That will make a nice belt.
I was wondering why they cut it off for all her dress
That's
before,
true.
you know,
it's for material. It's for crafting material.
Now we know, right? Just don't touch that part.
Yeah. Save that part for something else, some other craft. Okay, I think this is gonna be the corsage, like the. Oh no! Wow.
This cleaning lady should change her job, I guess.
Yeah, she should be paid more. They
Yeah.
should really, yeah. Wow. Okay, what's next? What are we thinking? Maybe a hat, a scarf.
Hat. No, I think it's for sleeves. You know, it's like.
Uh-oh.
What?
What are we doing? Is it a handbag? It's a handbag?
Handbag?
Maybe.
Actually, I like this idea. It would be lovely. Just imagine she destroyed her bag.
I mean, if you destroy a dress, you might as well get a handbag back. You know, that
Okay.
Sure.
What about bucket? You destroyed bucket.
Yeah.
First of all, it's your acquirement.
No, that's
lady.
the helmet.
Now it's a helmet.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
And she fresh.
Look at that. She fresh for sure. Bam.
Okie dokie.
Whoa,
what
this
is
is
that?
a family channel.
Yeah.
Please. Okay.
It's almost.
It looks a little uncomfortable also.
Yeah, a little bit.
I don't know, if you like it, then it's cool.
But can it hold it well?
Ah, that's kind of pretty. Okay.
I
Beautiful,
don't know.
subjective. Big dress,
Yep.
also subjective.
Yeah.
What are we doing here? I've
some
seen that design before.
Fashion.
This is like Wish.com Louis Vuitton. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, don't do this. This looks dangerous as heck.
What did we get it? Especially if there is a bolt, you know?
Yeah,
which
no.
is-
You can see how it's like bending.
It's like a bending, yeah.
No, don't do that.
Yeah. Usually, you can easily.
I didn't know there was anything under that, so.
I didn't expect that as well.
All right.
Okay.
This looks nice. This looks nice.
That's fine.
Slip out of shoes? No problem. Glue. Use glue. Never slip out of your shoes again. Never have to wear another pair again.
Yeah.
Sleep uncomfortably for the rest of your life.
Wait, what's just happened?
She.
We got a problem.
We got it. We got no problem.
No problem at all now.
Okay.
So the problem solved.
It looks good. It looks like
Okay.
it's meant to be like that.
That's true.
Scuff marks? No problem. We got crystals. Solve all of your problems with crystals. Feeling bad? Energy low? Crystals. Have you ever? No, I'm not gonna ask.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep.
So.
Do you have any energy crystals? Do you or a loved one have any energy crystals? How are they working for you? Okay.
So what is this?
Okay.
Okay.
Very nice. Yes.
Yeah.
It looks cool. I can do the same thing.
Interesting. You cleaned up, and now you're ready for party. What I missed, and things got. Oh, what was that? It's some.
Okay, why are you ruining your? Okay, does hair just come out like that?
I guess no.
Is that how you made your beard? You just took your hair and you just. Don't tell anyone.
Yes. Looks like
Wow. Ooh, okay, this is like, this is giving me weird vibes. I don't know.
Ooh, that's crazy. What is aluminum for?
I have to straighten the hair, I guess? I don't know.
We need to test it.
Guys, what does aluminum do on hair? Okay, glue, yeah.
More hair.
More hair?
Uh-huh.
I'm so confused. What are they doing?
It looks ugly, honestly, for me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Beauty
wait.
is subjective, but this is objectively ugly.
I'm speechless.
I don't even know. I don't even know. Okay. Hair. Bra. Okay, what is this? What's the point of the... It's see-through. Okay.
Maybe...
It's like mosquito net. Maybe she
Yeah.
just like keeps getting bit by mosquitoes. And hair and the netting will protect her.
More practical thing.
It wasn't her real hair. Who would have known?
Yeah.
It looked very convincing.
I'm
confused. I don't like this hairdress. It's making me very uncomfortable.
Oh boy.
And she's braiding it too. Do you ever braid your hair?
No, I don't
No?
have enough.
Okay. But like
It's not
your,
long enough.
What about your head hair?
Head hair.
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
I don't like it.
Yeah, I also don't like it. Okay. Ooh. I mean, it is like a lot of skill that's going into this, but at the same time, exactly, it gives me shivers to look at. What do you guys think?
Yeah, write us some comments. But I mean, I guess.
Oh, flowers! Yay! I hate it when you like roll around in some twigs and you get flowers stuck in your hair. That's exactly what this is.
I think it's a dress. For
She's eating the hair.
Don't eat it.
Don't eat hair. I mean, it's high fiber.
And it's yeah.
It's like when okay, and they're putting hairspray on it. Genius.
Oh my god.
I don't know.
And to
about
wash
that
it,
one.
you'll use a. What are you gonna use?
I really don't know. It looks nice. Like from afar, it would look nice, and then when you get closer, it goes from wow to
You weirdo.
From afar, it looks nice.
I'm not sure about
Because it
it.
just looks like a yellow dress. It looks like a Beauty and the Beast dress.
We're waiting
I
for
think
that.
it was inspired about it.
We got magnet, okay, on some tank tops with epoxy. What is the epoxy for?
What is the t-shirt for?
What is the mask is actually because epoxy is toxic, so that's what that's for.
That's what you need to know.
Yep. I didn't know that because you see like a bunch of like little like toys have epoxy things to make crafts in them. But yeah, you got to be careful.
You gotta be careful, but the thing is, the epoxy, yes, it's toxic when it's not hard.
Yes.
When it's getting hard, it's not untoxic.
Yeah, then it's
at all.
fine. Then it's fine.
Yeah, you can.
But you have to make sure if you're working with it, first of all, be with an adult. Second of all, have like air conditioning or like some kind of ventilation in the room, and wear a mask.
Yeah. Still didn't get it.
I don't know what's happening actually. It's just a shirt. It's
not a shirt anymore. It's look like a I don't know, cutter.
Yeah, it does look
cutter
like a cutting board. Yeah.
Yeah, cutting board.
Is this a cutting board shirt? A cutter?
I'm not short.
I'm not sure. Wow. I'm not shirt either. I'm about to shirt myself. Okay, so we have a cutting board. Maybe. Let us know if you're smarter than us, which you may as well be the case. Let us know what this is.
So, still, I mean.
Okay. But don't skip ahead in the video and find out and then be like, oh, it's actually this, because we'll know. We see you.
We'll know.
Gregory, Jeremy, Phil. Everybody named those names is freaking out right now. Karen. Okay. Strips. Nothing wrong with some stripping.
Oh, that's a bag.
It's a bag?
Yeah, can you imagine it?
No, I can't actually.
Me neither.
But you just did.
No, I just saw it. But could I imagine that it's gonna be a bag?
It could be a bag. It could be a bag. You could be right.
No, I
Like a
saw
magnet.
it. It's for sure. See.
When a magnet's on a bag, it's actually called a bagnet.
That's.
Aren't you guys loving this? Aren't you guys loving these horrible jokes? Just me? Oh, that is a horrible, horrible bag. That is the worst bag I've ever seen in my life. Oh my gosh. Wow. Whoa.
You know, it's like one of the box for tools.